Hi everyone, hi, welcome back to another painting video. Today it will be the fourth of my Rainbow Sibling series. You are seeing here two of them. I made already three, but I just don't have enough space to hang them. I made a maroon one, a Prussian blue and a violet one. And today it's time for green. I might do, by the way, a dark turquoise in between them as well. Yeah, that will be next one. But today it will be green. I will use a sap green together with some orange to create that beautiful neutral hue. And probably you know green is my color, so I'm very excited for today's painting. Let's get started. Boom! Here is the dried end result. I love the green against that orange and that yellow. It creates such a contrasting piece, such a pop. Yes, this one is, I think it's my favorite up to now. Next week I will make a deep turquoise that will go in between the green one and as well the blue one. Yeah. this series is going well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week, Saturday.